Hi everyone, in this lecture we are going to see what is WEP, which is Wide Equivalent Privacy. So as we all know that it is the oldest one and it can be easily broken. So WEP uses algorithm called RC4 encryption, which as you can see here. Okay, so in this algorithm each packet is encrypted at the router or access point and then sent out into the air. So once the client receives this packet, the client will be able to transform it back to its original form because it has the key. So in other words, we can say that the router encrypts the packets and send it, and the client receives the packet and decrypt it. So the same happens if the client sends something to the router. So it will first encrypt the packet using a key and send it to the router. And the router will be able to decrypt it because it has the key. So in this process, if a hacker captures the packet in the middle, then they will get the packet, but they would not be able to see the content of the packet because they do not have the key. So each packet that is sent into the air has a unique key stream. So the unique key stream is generated using 24-bit initialization vector, which as you can see here, 24-bit IV plus key. Okay, so an initialization vector is a random number that is sent into each packet in a plain text form, which is not encrypted. So if someone captures the packet, they will not be able to read the packet content because it is encrypted, but they can read the IV in the plain text form because it is not encrypted. Okay, is this clear? Which as you can see here, we are having this key which is IV and it is going in plain text. Okay, so the weakness with the IV is that it is sent in a plain text and it is very short, which is only 24-bit. So in a busy network, there will be a large number of packets sent in the air. So at this time, 24-bit number is not big enough. So the IV will start repeating on a busy network. So the repeated IVs can be used to determine the key stream. So this makes WEP vulnerable to statistical attack. So in order to determine the key stream, we can use a tool called aircrack. So this tool is used to determine the key stream. So once we have enough repeated IVs, then it will also be able to crack WEP and give us the key to the networks, which we are going to see very soon in this section. So this is all about how WEP works and what it is.